Success does not happen overnight.
Humanity evolved from prehistoric ages and went up, just like a caveman in an elevator. Oh, hello. Who am I? Oh, I'm a human resources worker at Cambridge Lee Industries. Our company works to take copper and melt it into billets, then stretch those billets to produce various types of tubing.
What is Cambridge Lee? It is the third biggest manufacturer of copper tubing.
Being a furnace laborer is one of the lowest jobs that you start off here in Cambridge Lee, and you work your way up.
It's called a hearth. That's basically like a mini furnace. Keeps it warm, and they can control the flow of that by turning it, and that'll go into, it's called a tonnage. The guys will bring them up out of the water, the crane will grab them, bring them over to the tilter, set them down to our saw table, and our saw will cut them up into billets. They're 29 inches long, 1,300 pounds they weigh, and then they'll go up the elevator.
Well, there's a process where the billets get brought over from plant to a billet rack.
Copper billets.
I work in what we call the drop blocks. That is the machine that coils the pipes that we draw to size that come from the 18th sun, that is delivered to the 18th sun from the press.
And I've always believed if you make yourself valuable, it's hard not to move up in a business. So, learning everything I could and trying to do my best.
From caveman to corporate leader, growth is a journey. And at Cambridge Lee, hard work pays off. Believe me, I would know.